Hello! This is the CMAC Solid Wood 5-Axis Machining Center. Typically, you see these machines working on complex parts like tabletops, chair backs, or chair seats. However, thanks to the versatility of the Master TC4 5-Axis Machining Center, it can also be easily used for the production of chair legs. With just some basic training from our engineers, you can completely master the knowledge required to control and operate this 5-axis technology. As you see in the video clip, each completed cycle processes 4 chair legs, which are alternated across the 2 working tables. This structure allows your business to maximize work efficiency. Contact us if you need a 5-axis machining center solution for solid wood processing.